Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get Ethereum on Coinbase wallet. First, ensure you have both the Coinbase Exchange app and the Coinbase Wallet app installed on your device. You'll need to create or log into your Coinbase Exchange account. It's crucial to complete identity verification within the Coinbase Exchange app, which typically involves providing a photo ID. This step ensures the security of your transactions and complies with financial regulations, making your experience smooth and secure. Once your Coinbase Exchange account is set up and verified, the next step is to fund it. You can easily link a payment method, such as a bank account or a debit card, to your account. Then, deposit the desired amount of funds into your Coinbase Exchange account. Be aware that deposit limits can vary, depending on your verification level and the specific payment method you choose. Always check these limits to ensure a seamless funding experience. With funds in your Coinbase Exchange account, you are ready to buy Ethereum. Simply purchase Ethereum or ETH directly within the Coinbase Exchange app. After your purchase is complete, open your Coinbase Exchange app and navigate to the Send option. From there, you can easily transfer your newly acquired Ethereum from the exchange to your Coinbase wallet. This process is straightforward, ensuring your crypto is moved securely to your personal wallet. Once your Ethereum is safely in your Coinbase wallet, a world of possibilities opens up. You can now access your Ethereum to interact with various decentralized applications, often called dApps. This includes exploring decentralized finance protocols, engaging with non-fungible tokens, and much more. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Your Coinbase wallet empowers you to fully participate in the exciting and evolving Web3 ecosystem.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.